Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. If you're looking for exceptional flavored coffee, you have to check out the Bean Coffee Company. In my house, it's pumpkin spice season all year long, so we were so thrilled to try this pumpkin spice coffee. Personally, I love a flavored coffee that isn't so artificial or intense, and this coffee is perfectly balanced. What I love is the fact that this coffee is crafted with high quality ingredients that are free from any synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, ensuring a pure and wholesome taste in every cup. So personally, I like to buy the whole beans and grind the coffee myself. I feel like it gives it a bit of a fresher taste, but this coffee is available as well already ground if that's something that appeals to you. It's a little bit more convenient for some. So I ground the coffee according to my coffee grinder, and immediately you could smell the fragrant scents of this coffee. I tried other flavors as well. I loved the vanilla bean. I love the Milky Way. It smelled like a chocolate bar, but of course in coffee form and no calories. You could choose to drink this coffee black without any dairy or creamer. Like my husband, he loved it. I personally like to add a little bit of a non-dairy creamer with my coffee, and I love the fact that I didn't have to add anything sweet, any sugar, because this coffee had such a great taste already. And like I said, it wasn't artificial tasting, it just tasted subtle, and I just loved how it tasted. It smelled my house up as well, which was another nice bonus. I just love that there's something for everything in this brand, whether you like a medium, a dark roast, if you like decaf. I also love the fact that they seal it so nice so it locks in the freshness. I know you're going to be obsessed with this coffee just like I am, but that's just my point of view.